You have a little more wiggle room to file your taxes this year, right? The deadline is May 17th. But some filers are concerned because the IRS still hasn't processed their 2019 tax returns. NBC10 Responds learned what you can do in this situation.
We're stuck right now. We don't know what to do.
Dave Mason tells NBC10 Responds he and his wife filed their taxes jointly last July. He says they mailed in the paperwork along with a check of what they owed.
About a week later, after we mailed it out, I got a confirmation that the check was cashed.
He assumed they were good to go. But when he recently logged into his account with the IRS, he noticed a big problem. His 2019 taxes still haven't been processed.
I was pretty shocked when I saw that.
Dave says he tried to call the IRS numerous times, but the lines were busy.
I hate to say that it's pretty common, but it's pretty common.
Carrie Weston is the director of Tax Practice and Ethics for the American Institute of CPAs.
They're still processing millions of 2019 tax returns at the IRS while also trying to manage the current tax season and the stimulus relief checks.
She says the fact that Dave's check was cashed is a good sign. According to Weston, some taxpayers stopped payment on their checks because of a delay in cashing them.
Now you're looking at you didn't pay it timely, and you've just bounced a check to the IRS. So now you're looking at penalties and interest and fees on top of it.
According to the IRS, you can still file your 2020 taxes even if your 2019s haven't been processed. When you're asked for your prior year adjusted gross income, enter $0. If you usually don't file taxes but filed last year to receive an economic impact payment, enter $1 for your prior year AGI. Dave tells us he tried this and he was able to file electronically. He just hopes the process will be smoother next year.
If they haven't even entered our 2019, when are they ever going to get to our 2020?
Now, the IRS tells us it's always best to file electronically. If you run into a problem and it needs immediate attention by the IRS, but you can't get through on the phone, you can make an appointment at your local IRS office. We'll post that information on NBC10.com/responds.